All right, apes, listen up. You think you're trading a market of fundamentals, technicals? Nope, you're not. You're playing a game, and the source code is totally bugged. And we're here to expose the glitch, the one the suits hope you never see. Okay, let's get into this.
So we're not even going to start with a chart. We're starting with a number, 79.66%. What is that? Well, according to backtested data from Quiver Quantitative, if all you did was buy the 10 companies that spent the most money lobbying, you'd have a nearly 80% win rate. Just let that sink in for a second. So while you're out there drawing trend lines on a chart, the real players are just writing checks in DC. They have literally built a pay-to-win game. But here's the thing. Every system has a weakness, right? A crack in the code. And the one we found, oh man, it's a system-level exploit. We'll get to that, don't you worry. Okay, gotta do the legal thing now. Look, I'm just an ape staring at a keyboard. This is not financial advice. This is just a data decode, okay? If you ape into something without doing your own research, the market will eat your lunch. Seriously, don't be someone's lunch.
All right, first up, we have to understand the distraction. The suits need your eyes pointed somewhere else while they're running their plays, and that's where mainstream financial news comes in. It's like the magician's other hand, Look over here.
And just look at this noise. AI bubbles, circular financing, the market's tipping up. It's all designed to keep you busy, to keep you trading the headlines, while the real moves are happening completely in the dark. They want you buying the NVIDIA hype, not looking at the plumbing of the system. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to follow their money, not their mouths. The game's real rule book is written in dollars, and lucky for us, the data trail leads right here. And here it is. Here's the proof in the code, a 16% compound annual growth rate, and that nearly 80% win rate. This isn't some crazy coincidence, people. This is a business model. They spend millions in lobbying so they can make billions in the market. This right here is the official narrative of smart money. We have an edge because, well, we bought it.
But here's where things get really interesting. While the lobbyists are out there cashing their checks, there's a serious problem brewing in the casino itself. We're about to expose that hidden danger I mentioned before, the glitch they're praying you don't notice.
We're going straight to the source on this one, the Federal Reserve's H8 report. You can think of it as the financial system's weekly health checkout. And it's the data the suits are watching while they're on TV telling you to buy the dip. And folks, the patient is not looking too good. First, just take a look at the cash assets held by commercial banks. That's the casino's rocket fuel. It's the raw liquidity that lets them cover all the bets and keep the game running. And, well, it's been in a steady decline. It peaked at over $3.4 trillion, and now it's dropped below $3 trillion. The tank is getting low. And it's not just their petty cash either. We're talking total deposits. That's the money you and I keep in the bank, and it's falling too. It peaked at over $18.5 trillion, and now it's trending down. What this means is that money is actively flowing out of the U.S. banking system, which it really begs the question, if the game is so great, why are players taking their chips off the table?
I mean, this is the ultimate question, isn't it? The data shows a rigged game on one hand, but a system that's bleeding cash on the other. It's a massive contradiction. It's a glitch in the matrix. So where is all that money going? That's the billion-dollar question right there. So all this brings us to the final verdict. We've decoded the matrix, and what we found are two totally conflicting stories running at the exact same time. You have to decide which one you think is the real signal, and which one is just the noise.
So here's the breakdown. The bull case. That's the story they sell you on TV. It's simple. Buy tech, hodl, the market only goes up, right? Then there's the bear case, the ape reality, which is what the data actually suggests. The game is rigged for insiders, but the whole system is losing pressure. This might be the biggest bull trap in history. So we're left with this. Billions and billions of dollars are on the move. Are the same suits who rigged the game with lobbyists now quietly, secretly exiting that very system? Are they rotating into a new asset class, positioning themselves before the rest of us even know the game has changed? Is this the setup for the next big move? We are watching this chart like a hawk. While you're waiting for the next candle to print, go grab your free gear. Sign up for Public, you get $20 in free assets. Check out Webull for that BTC promo, or go grab your free NVDA stock on Moomoo. All the links are in the description. Smash the like, subscribe to the tribe. Apes together strong.